up, you guys? I'm Elizabeth and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me. This is my good friend Sam, and today we're going to be doing our makeup, listening to some music, just hanging out and answering some questions for you guys. Just kind of like get to know us and like our friendship and just be silly and have some fun today. So I will be back with a new makeup tutorial coming up soon, but today was just like a chill type vibe day, and I hope you guys enjoy it, so let's get into it. Okay, so we're just going to start off by doing our makeup, and I don't know if I'm going to really explain as I go. I might just like say a few things, but I'm just going to ask us a question and then we'll both kind of answer, okay?
Okay.
And yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start off by going in with my Tarte Shape Tape and priming my eyes like I always do, but we're just going to start with the questions. So, number 1, when and where did we meet?
You want to go first?
Okay, so I'll answer when we met. We met junior year high school, so that was like almost like 4 years ago, something like that. You can answer where we met.
We met in culinary class. She sat like a table across from me.
I'm not even like the camera.
And I don't even know, like I don't know, we just like
we just were like we're gonna be friends.
Yeah.
That's basically how our friendship started. So.
Yep.
And we're like 5 years strong now, so.
Yeah.
Question number 2. What's your favorite memory together?
I have one.
Okay, what's your favorite memory together?
So, when we used to do Tequila Tuesdays at your house.
At my old apartment, we would do Tequila Tuesdays every Tuesday.
And we'd get really drunk. And we would just like laugh about everything, and it was just so fun.
Those are the good days. I would have to say those are probably some of my favorite memories. And also, like, I feel like you being out here has, like, become some of my favorite memories so far. Just because we've, like, really gotten to hang out and stuff. It's been fun. So, yeah. I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette for eyeshadow today. And I think I'm just going to do kind of a brown, subtle smoky eye. But I'm not really sure. Okay, number 3. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show right now is Friends. I love that show. It's such a good show.
I don't have one right now, but I was really into Grey's Anatomy.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Oh, my God.
I've seen some episodes of that. And, I stayed consistent with it for a little bit for a couple of seasons, and it was really good, but I'm just horrible at keeping up with TV shows. Oh, my God. But I've been, like, binge watching Friends. Like, I legit have feelings towards that show. Like, I literally...
That's how I was with Grey's Anatomy.
Oh, yeah. Seriously. It's like, it's an emotional attachment type thing.
Yes.
Crazy. So I'm just building up my transition right now, and then we're gonna add some browns to make it smoky. Next question. Number 4. What job would you be terrible at? we both laugh, like, what job wouldn't we be terrible at? Like, I'm really terrible at jobs where, like, people are just mad at me all the time. Like, customer service type jobs. I'm so nice to people, and people are just rude, and I can't stand it. This customer one time, she was asking for extra dressing or whatever, and it was like 50 cents extra, and she was like, for dressing? And I'm like, yeah. And she was like, exactly. She was like, that's ridiculous. Like, as if I control the prices of stuff. Like, yeah, you complaining and yelling at me right now is gonna make the sauce free, lady.
Mine would be like a teacher, honestly.
Yell at kids all day.
Yeah. And they're rude.
Like,
what?
I know, I also was a daycare teacher one time, and I told this little girl to give me her pencil. Well, like, not even, like, give me, you know? I was like, can I see your pencil? And she was like, why? And I was like, never mind. You can have it. Never mind. Oh, Number 5. What is the most annoying habit other people have? I think something that annoys me a lot is when people are just so, like...
negative?
Yeah, like, just,
that irritates me.
Yeah, and, like, close-minded, you know? But something that really irritates me is, like, when people ask me for advice, and then they just really freaking ignore the absolute out of my advice. Like, why even ask me then?
Oh yeah, that's annoying.
Like, just tell me that you need someone to talk to. Don't ask me for advice. Like, because then I'm like, ugh, I waste my time just to see you upset again. That drives me nuts. But, I mean, everyone has their own freaking will and they're gonna do what they want anyway, but, ugh, it drives me nuts. Number 6, are you usually early or late? Late.
Late and everything.
Late.
Literally everything. I could get up early for something when I know I have it in the morning and I'm still late.
Same!
It's ridiculous.
It doesn't matter, dude. It doesn't matter. I will literally be up hours before I have to be somewhere and I still manage to show up late. I'm working on it, guys. 7, what's your middle name? You can go first.
We have the same middle name, don't we?
Oh my god! Our middle name is Nicole.
Yep.
Number 8. What was your favorite / worst subject in high school?
Math.
Math.
Oh my god.
Math was my worst subject.
I don't even know how I passed proficiencies, honestly. Like
me either. I failed them like 3 times before I passed them.
Yeah.
Because I suck at math. And if any of you come at me for that, you know what? I'm a little, like, dyslexic, I swear. Because I mix up letters and words all the... Like, you will literally tell me 526 and I'll be like 625. It just happens. So don't come at me. And my favorite subject in school was English because I was low-key really bomb at writing essays. I still write some of my college friends' essays. What was your favorite subject? Yeah, I'm gonna like school. I didn't like school.
Honestly, probably like history. It was just so interesting.
Yeah, I feel that. I liked history too. Number 9, who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Jaclyn Hill.
Yes.
She's my all-time fave. Everyone who knows me knows that I literally love her to death. And but Laura I also Lee. Like Laura Lee. Yep. I love Laura Lee. Manny MUA. He's awesome.
Yes.
I really like, to be honest, some of Jeffree Star's, like, I don't know, because, like, I just can't get over, like, how rude of a person he is, to be honest. I'm just very honest, and it's hard for me to support someone like that, but sometimes he can be funny, I guess. But, yeah, those are my, like, 3 main favorites,
Definitely,
I think.
yes.
Like, Manny, Jaclyn, and Laura. And I also really like, Megan Lee. I don't know her, like, her YouTube name used to be Chow Bella. I don't know if anyone watches her, but I really like her. She's awesome. Okay. Number 10, what is your favorite restaurant? Mine is the Cheesecake Factory.
Mine's Olive Garden.
Okay, question number 11. Tell us one of your bad habits.
Biting my nails when I don't have acrylics on. Yeah.
I don't know. Not cleaning my makeup brushes. That's a really bad habit.
Oh my goodness.
Clean your makeup brushes, guys. Question number 12. What's your zodiac sign? Aquarius.
Virgo.
Okay, so everyone always says, like, how Geminis are like the devil. Why? I know a Gemini, and now I know why. I'm just kidding. She's just brutally honest, okay? Like,
oh my god.
no, for real though, she does not hide her feelings. She'll tell you how it is. My cousin wears her heart on her sleeve. Number 13, right-handed or left-handed?
Right.
I'm right-handed too. Oh, number 14, are you afraid of darkness? I'm afraid of darkness in certain situations. Like, I have to have the room, like, pitch black dark when I go to bed at night because I cannot sleep. Like, my mind is awake if, like, TV and lights and everything's on, you know?
I get a headache.
Yeah,
but, like, really bad.
But, like, if I'm walking through the hallways at night or, like, doing anything like that, like, absolutely terrified.
I, like, run to my room.
Yeah, so I guess, like, yes and no.
Yeah.
Number 15. Describe your life in one word. Crazy.
Messy.
Number 16. Which cartoon do you still love?
Oh my gosh, Fairly Odd Parents.
SpongeBob. I love Fairly Odd Parents too. I love SpongeBob. 17. What snack do you like the most? My favorite snack is fruit roll-ups. For sure, hands down, fruit roll-ups.
I don't know, I just love food. Like all food. No.
Same. Number 18. Which ice cream flavor is your favorite? I think mine is, I don't know. I'm stuck between mint chocolate chip and strawberry cheesecake. I love those two.
Oh my gosh, mint chocolate chip and Rocky Road. Yeah.
Yes. Number 19. What was your first job? Mine was Tilly's. I used to work at Tilly's.
Mine was a lifeguard at Cowabunga Bay.
Oh yeah, I do remember that. You're the cutest. She's the cutest lifeguard ever. Number 20. Our last question. What is the last thing you do before going to sleep?
My face routine.
Ooh, that's a good one. I'm gonna get really technical, and like the very last thing I do before I go to bed is pray.
Oh.
Okay, you guys, so we are all finished with our makeup look today. This is how they turned out. Very cute, very cute. We did really good, if I do say so myself. Hey! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys leave some suggestions for me down below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be back with a new video in just a few short days. And thank you so much to my partner, Sam, here. She's one of my best friends ever. Sissy wants to say goodbye. Look, we're like a cute little happy family. But you just want to sniff me. You just want to sniff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! Before I do anything. You want me to wet yours?
Yeah.
Too? What the f? We got. Oh no, yours is dirty. It's all good. I'll ask a next one, you know?
Okay.
That way we're not running out of questions fast. I can't. She's like,
it's really not opening.
Really
okay, there we go.
Sam, can you do me a favor? Mm-hmm. Can you not you, that's Sam. Can you back?
Yes.
Yeah, just go ahead. Dive in.
Dive in. It's because we don't have friends.
Because we don't have friends. No. Oh, you know what really irritates me? Something that's... Dude, you're so bomb. Like, you're literally not even done. I hate you. I don't even want to be on camera with you right now. New mirror.
Oh yeah, you look at it and you're like, yeah. You need to be blended.
You need to be blended. No, but seriously, let's get it together.
Let's get it together. Get it together, Elizabeth.
Get it together, Elizabeth. You're so cute. I love you. And